Hey guys, Ryan Zickafus here, and it's time for another edition of Walkthrough Wednesday. Today we're going to take a look at the 2021 Montana 3791 RD. This is a great rear living floor plan, but one thing I want to show you, I'll start here on the outside, is this is the back of the coach here. If you look in here, you have a ton of storage. You have storage all along the sides, and then you also have your large storage tray here as well. This is rated for 800 pounds, so at least one of me could fit in there. And then we'll come back. You look at the coach here, you have frameless windows. This is a walkable roof, walkable slide boxes. But on top of the storage in the back, you still do have a full basement here as well. But let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of this coach. All right, guys, we're now here in the inside of the coach. I'm going to start here in the living area. This is a rear living or rear den. As you can see, you have the opposing slides. It really opens up this living room. You have the couches on each slide. Both of those turn into a bed. You have your entertainment here. This TV is on an electric lift, so you can raise or lower this if you want to take advantage of that big window. You can easily move that TV out of the way. That sits right above your radio, which is AM, FM, CD, DVD, Bluetooth, and then also sits above your fireplace. You can use with or without heat, and that is an electric fireplace, so it does not require using your propane. Your entertainment is right across here from your theater seating. These are electric recliners, super comfortable. I love sitting in them. But let's head down to the kitchen. So when you get to the kitchen here, you're going to notice another large area. You have opposing slides again, so it really opens up the kitchen. You have your big island with your undermount stainless steel sink. Your faucet with your sprayer integrated right in. Right over on the other side here, you have countertop space on each side of the oven, so you have plenty of prep space. That sits right below a convection microwave. Wraps right around here into your residential fridge. This is a large 3-door fridge with an ice maker as well. And you come right into here into a very large pantry. And then right back around here, you have another area for prep, or if you wanted to use this for a coffee bar. Tons of storage in this kitchen. And then finished out with your table and chairs. You do get 4 chairs. The other 2 are folded up and put away. But let's head up into the bathroom. So in your bathroom here, you do have a big walk-in shower with tub surround. It also has a seat in the shower. So, you know, for all of your needs in there. Then you have, wraps around here, you have a big storage area for all your toiletries. You have a towel rack that sits right beside your mirror above your bathroom sink. And then you have a porcelain foot flush toilet. And then come back in here to your bedroom. Another large area, plenty of room to get ready. I'm sitting here on a slide as well, so this really opens up this bedroom. This is a king bed. Of course, you have your big wardrobe here, shelving, built-in hamper, and then you have another closet here as well. There's the 2 folding chairs for the kitchen table I was telling you about. But also in here is prep for washer and dryer. And then right across from your bed, you have plenty of dresser drawers, and that sits right below your boxed-in TV. Guys, come take a look at this unit. It is a gorgeous coach. It's one of our best-selling units. This is the 2021 3791 RD, and this is Walkthrough Wednesday. Thanks, guys.